Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the black and white screen issue in apps blocked by the Digital Wellbeing app on Android. This includes the focus mode and the bedtime mode. So if you blocked access to certain apps in the focus mode and now these apps display in black and white screen all the time despite the mode being off, then let me show you what you can do in order to fix that. We're gonna start by going to Google Play Store. So let's go to this app. In the top right corner, we want to click the profile picture and then choose Manage App Devices. Now switch to Manage tab at the top, and here we need to find Digital Wellbeing. I have mine over here because I just recently updated it, but if you have troubles with finding this app on your list, you can also switch the sorting on the right side. Click where you have recently updated, and then you can switch sorting, let's say by name. So now it should be easier to find Digital Wellbeing. On the right side, we need to check the bugs, like so. And then in the top right corner, we want to tap the trash icon and confirm that you want to uninstall updates. So we need to pretty much revert the recent update. Let's uninstall, and it should be pretty much immediately gone. In addition to that, we are going to prevent this issue from happening once again, from reappearing. So let's tap the Digital Wellbeing in order to open the page of this app in the Play Store. And then in the top right corner, you want to click on the three dots over here and uncheck Enable Auto Update. So now this app will not be updated automatically by our smartphone. And this should help fix the issue for good. And after that, once we do these steps, we can simply power off and then power on our smartphone again. So we need to restart it. So you want to press and hold the power button, of course, in order to either power off or reboot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.